Welcome to the top best. The best Kam Snaps is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly fasteners available on the market today, offering a secure and stylish closure for a wide range of projects from clothing and accessories to home decor and crafts. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner looking to add a professional touch to your creations, Kam Snaps provide an excellent solution that is both durable and easy to install, making them a go-to choice for anyone seeking reliable and aesthetically pleasing fastening options. Number 5. Kam Snaps Starter Fasteners Kit. Discover why Kam Snaps are the most trusted choice for your crafting and clothing projects. They are designed with safety and durability in mind. Our snaps are lead-free and comply with strict regulations for children's products, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. Crafted from a strong and durable plastic, these fasteners are built to last through countless washes without melting or becoming brittle. Experience the ease of use with our specially designed pliers, requiring less hand strength for a comfortable application, even for large projects. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: snap pliers, extra rods, various size dies, a screwdriver, awl, and tweezers for a seamless crafting experience. Unleash your creativity with 12 beautiful colors, each providing 30 sets of snaps, perfect for adding a personal touch to any garment or craft. What we like. This kit is the safest choice for children's items, meeting strict safety regulations. Its durable construction ensures longevity through countless washes. If you prioritize safety and durability for baby clothes or children's crafts, this is the set for you. What people say. The snaps are easy to use and install. They are very durable and hold up well to repeated use. The snaps come in a variety of colors and sizes. Number 4. Kam Snaps T5 Plastic Fasteners Kit. Introducing Kam Snaps, the perfect solution for your crafting needs. These fasteners are rust-free, machine washable, and dryer-safe, making them ideal for a variety of projects. Our snaps are size 20, also known as T5, with a cap diameter of approximately 1/2 inch. The prong length is about 1/5 inch, ensuring a secure fit for your creations. You'll receive 384 complete sets in 24 vibrant colors, with 32 caps, 16 sockets, and 16 studs per color. Everything comes neatly organized in a convenient storage container. This kit includes everything you need to get started: Kam plastic snap setting pliers, metal setting rods, cap dies for various sizes, a screwdriver, and an awl. These no-sew buttons are incredibly easy to use for crafts, cloth diapers, bibs, and more. Achieve professional results without any sewing required. We stand behind our product with excellent after-sales support. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we'll be happy to assist you. What we like. With a vast array of colors and a high quantity of snaps, this set offers incredible value and versatility. It's perfect for large projects or if you frequently use a wide range of colors. If you're a crafter who loves options and needs a lot of snaps, this is an excellent choice. What people say. They are both easy to install and they stay put. This set comes with so many different colors and that you don't have to buy any additional tools to install them. They have worked perfectly on both paper and fabric materials. The kit provides an array of colors to match your projects. So easy to use. Number 3. BetterJonny Kam Snaps Buttons T5. Introducing our Kam plastic snaps, designed to be rust-free and safe for both washing machines and dryers. These fasteners offer long-lasting quality for all your fabric projects. Each package contains 100 complete sets of snaps. Remember, one set includes 2 caps, 1 stud, and 1 socket for your convenience. These are size 20, also known as T5, with a cap diameter of about 1/2 inch. This is the standard size, perfect for cloth baby diapers and many other creative uses. You can use them on a wide variety of items, including clothing, bibs, towels, and various craft or sewing projects. They are a great addition to any household's needs. To install these fasteners, you will need a Kam pliers or a Kam press. Please note that the installation tool is sold separately. What we like. This option provides a good starting quantity for smaller projects or for those who already own installation tools. The glossy finish adds a nice aesthetic touch. If you're looking for a basic set for specific projects and have your own pliers, this is a convenient and cost-effective pick. What people say. Just one of this in the middle of the pillowcase and no more pillow coming out of the case when you wake up in the morning. The item was used to fasten baby bibs, and I was pleased with how easy they were to attach. Snaps are firm and hold in place, without being too hard to pull apart. Number 2. Kam Size 20 T5 Resin Plastic Snaps. Introducing our high-quality plastic snaps, designed for durability. They are completely rust-free, making them perfect for machine washing and drying without any worries. Each pack contains 200 complete sets of snaps. Remember, one set includes 2 caps, 1 stud, and 1 socket for your convenience. These snaps are size 20, also known as T5, with a cap diameter of approximately 1/2 inch. The prong length is about 1/5 inch, ideal for various projects. You can use them for a wide range of applications. They are commonly used on clothing, towels, and are excellent for embroidery, crafts, sewing, and household projects. To install these snaps, you will need Kam pliers or a Kam press. Please note that the installation tool is sold separately. What we like. This is a straightforward refill option for those who need more snaps without the extra tools. It's ideal for ongoing projects or replenishing your supply. If you've already invested in Kam pliers and just need more snaps, this is a simple and efficient solution. What people say. These snaps are the best I have found. Not one of mine failed. These work really good and is great quality. No breakage, easy to attach together for projects. Snap together and pull apart very well. I've used a lot of these snaps. They're easy to put in and have a good hold. Very practical for bags, baby things and much more. Number 1. Kam Snaps Buttons and Pliers Set. Introducing the Kam Snaps Buttons and Pliers Set, your go-to solution for all your crafting needs. This comprehensive kit makes adding secure fasteners a breeze. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these snaps are built to last. They are rust-free, machine washable, and dryer-safe, ensuring your creations withstand everyday use. With 420 complete sets in 14 vibrant colors, you'll have plenty of options for any project. Each color includes caps, sockets, and studs for a complete fastener. These fasteners are incredibly versatile, commonly used for clothing, towels, embroidery, and various household sewing projects. They are the perfect no-sew button alternative. The snaps are size 20, also known as T5, with a cap diameter of approximately 1/2 inch. This is the standard size used in commercial clothing and most craft applications. This set includes everything you need to get started: Kam plastic snap setting pliers, metal setting rods, cap dies for various sizes, a screwdriver, and an awl. Effortlessly set your snaps with ease. What we like. This comprehensive starter kit offers a large quantity of snaps and all the necessary tools for immediate use. It's perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a complete package. If you're starting out with Kam snaps or need a reliable, all-in-one solution for various crafts, this set is highly recommended. What people say. The tool is very simple to use once you get everything lined up correctly. The number of snaps included was more than I needed, but I was able to match colors so you can't even tell which snaps I replaced. It includes the snap setter, several tools, and 14 different colors of snaps. Just follow the instructions. I use them to snap the corners of my kitchen towels over the stove and dishwasher handle to keep them from sliding off into the floor. They worked great, even though the cat tried to grab them off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.